Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at these beautiful chunky gold earrings. I'm going to do a little try on for you and just give you a glimpse at how they look. They are coated in an 18 karat gold, so they certainly have a beautiful genuine gold shine to them. And the design of these is a mixture of layered open circles and this hammered like disc. They're not so dressy that they are overly elegant or too classic. I think they could easily dress up a range of different outfits. I'm just going to be pairing this with a navy blue button-up shirt. And they have a really unique clasp. So they just open up like so, and then they can kind of snap shut. So they definitely feel really secure in the ears, and they are nice and lightweight. So if heavier earrings bother you, these would be perfectly fine. I love the layered look. I love the shine from the gold, and I think that they're going to work great with a range of different outfits and different occasions. So if you guys were looking for some wonderful dangle earrings, I would definitely give these a try.